24. Wisdom. The other night, after I spoke at a meeting, a college professor told me of the ignorance of college students today with respect to history and religion. This ignorance is common to all, Protestant, Catholic, and atheist. For example, in a test on historical knowledge, a Catholic student identified Muhammad as the first pope. A Protestant declared that Peter was the God of the Jews. The students weren't concerned about their ignorance. Good and evil were really unimportant to them. Their one principle was this: don't do anything that will hurt people. They felt little need to learn more than this. Their faith, whatever they called themselves, was obviously humanism. Man must never be hurt or offended. God was not in their thinking. They obviously lacked wisdom and understanding. The heart of wisdom, according to Scripture, is instruction. Proverbs 1, 2, and 3. The companion word to instruction in the Bible is reproof, correction, or discipline. Proverbs 1:23. Moreover, quote, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. A good understanding, or success, have all they that do his commandments. Psalm 111:10. The humanism of the students, by making man the standard, has eroded both knowledge and morality. If man is our God, then outside knowledge is unnecessary for man. His own existence is all he needs to know, and his wishes are his only law and morality. Moreover, the new law, don't do anything that will hurt people, is a charter for violence, not love. Because no law of God is recognized to restrain man, pure egoism then prevails. In practice, don't do anything that will hurt people becomes simply, don't do anything that will hurt or offend me, or else I'll stomp you. Humanism leads to ruthless egoism and immoralism. It produces the kind of ignorance the professor reported and the growing moral anarchy our newspapers daily describe. It professes the love of man, practices hatred of other men and oneself. It's high time to toss out the humanism in church, state, and school, and in our hearts, and to turn again to the Lord. Our hearts are in need of instruction, reproof, and regeneration. We are ignorant, and our ignorance begins with the ignorance of God and His Word. The Lord summons us to learn and live